In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on PlayStation 5 with PlayStation Portal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You might be curious how you can manage your PlayStation 5 current state and power it on using only the PlayStation Portal. Well, you can actually power on your PlayStation 5. However, the device will need to be in rest mode. So before I teach you how to properly do it, I just want to make that very clear. This will only work if you essentially power off your PlayStation 5 in rest mode instead of fully powering it off. If you don't want to use rest mode, then it is actually impossible. The PlayStation Portal cannot power on your PlayStation 5 if it is completely powered off. It can only turn it on if it is in rest mode. So if you are okay with this and you want to use rest mode, the first thing to do is to go over to the settings and access the rest mode category on your actual PlayStation 5 settings. In here, make sure that these options are enabled. You can customize this amount, but usually it doesn't matter. Just make sure that stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PlayStation 5 from network are enabled. Once you turn on both of these options, you will be able to get this done. So as long as your PlayStation Portal is properly connected to your PlayStation 5, the next time that you power it off, remember to go into rest mode instead of fully powering it off. Rest mode will be a very low power consumption mode, and essentially you can wake up your PlayStation 5 faster. So once it is in rest mode, all that you have to do is power on your PlayStation Portal and press any of the buttons available. As long as the PlayStation Portal was properly connected to the PlayStation 5 and it is currently in rest mode, it will wake up from that mode, and after it is properly woken up, you will be able to use it on your PlayStation Portal like usual. So as long as instead of fully powering off your PlayStation 5, you put it into rest mode, you will be able to get this done. As of today, Sony still doesn't give users the options to fully power on the PlayStation 5 if it was completely powered off using the PlayStation Portal. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 5 with PlayStation Portal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.